Hi viewers, welcome back to my channel. Today I am here with a very simple gravy recipe, vegetarian side dish for chapati, rice and all. This is very simple to make. Mushroom butter masala. For non-vegetarian I have already uploaded a video of butter chicken masala. The procedure is almost similar, so let's see how to make this. Try this recipe and let me know how it turned out for you. So let's get started. Here I have 12 pieces of button mushrooms. These mushrooms are button mushrooms and I am going to chop them roughly. So let's do that. First I washed these button mushrooms very well and made sure that they are clean and free from all the impurities. So I'm going to cut them into small pieces like this. Roughly chopping these button mushrooms. I roughly chopped all these button mushrooms and these are all ready to get cooked. So let's see apart from that what all ingredients are required. We need one tomato. Here I have a medium sized ripe tomato. I chopped it. Next we need one medium sized onion. Chopping it roughly. No need to cut these veggies into small pieces. Anyway, we are going to grind them to make a thick gravy for our curry. Here I have garlic, 3 cloves, 2 green chilies and some ginger. So let's prepare masala for this curry. First I am going to salt all these veggies by adding 1 tablespoon of butter into a pan. Pan is hot. To this I have added 1 tablespoon of butter. Butter started to melt. So let's add all these chopped veggies. Before that I am going to add 1 bay leaf into this, which will give really a nice flavor for this mushroom butter masala. I'm adding ginger, garlic and green chilies. Saute it for a while just to get rid of the raw smell and flavor of this ginger and garlic. Adding chopped onions into this. Saute it well. Onions started to become soft, they became translucent, so let's add all these chopped tomatoes into this. Mix well and saute it for another 2 to 3 minutes so that these tomatoes will become a little bit soft and mushy. These veggies became soft, so I'm going to add some masalas into this to make our mushroom butter masala flavorful. Adding 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of chili powder. If you want to make little more spicy, you can add 1.5 teaspoon of chili powder and 1 teaspoon of coriander powder. Sauteing it once again to remove the raw flavor of all these masala. We need to saute it in a very low flame, otherwise masala may get burned. To this I am adding some soaked cashew nuts. 8 to 10 cashew nuts I am using here. Cashew nuts I soaked in warm water for 10 minutes. We need a pinch of kasuri methi. This will give a nice flavor, an extra flavor for this curry. Let this masala cool down for a while. After that we need to grind this to make a very thick, smooth gravy for this curry. Transferring this into a plate and allowing this to cool down. After 10 minutes I am going to grind this to make a smooth gravy. Ground masala is ready. Take a pan, adding 1 teaspoon of butter, once the butter starts to melt, we can add these chopped mushrooms into this. Saute it for 2 to 3 minutes. No need to add any water into this. Mushroom itself will release enough moisture. See, mushroom started to release water. So I am adding 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of tandoori chicken masala. If you don't have tandoori chicken masala, you can add 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri chili powder, which will give a nice color for this curry. We need to add some salt also. Mix well. I had already uploaded a video of butter chicken recipe in this channel. The procedure is almost similar, slight difference only. Cook this for 2 to 3 minutes so that mushrooms may get half cooked. After that, we can add prepared gravy. This one started to boil. Let's add prepared masala into this. Adjust the gravy by adding some water. You can thin it down by adding some more water, because anyway the curry is going to become little more thicker. We are going to add some fresh cream into this to make it a restaurant style mushroom butter masala. Add enough salt for the curry and let this cook for another 3 to 4 minutes, covering this with the lid. Four minutes are over. Mushrooms are well cooked. It absorbed all the flavors of the masala, and this is the right time to switch off the flame. Before that, I am adding 4 tablespoons of fresh cream into this. This is totally optional. If you don't have fresh cream, you can add some coconut milk into this. Otherwise, you can totally avoid this one. Some freshly chopped coriander leaves. Thank you for watching. Hope you liked today's video. I will be back with another great recipe very soon. Until then, bye bye.